the Honor 400 smartphone to the ultimate test and see if it really lives up to the hype. The Honor 400 smartphone was launched recently, and it's been making waves in the market with its impressive specs and sleek design. What sets it apart from its competitors is its powerful processor, high-quality camera, and long-lasting battery life. One of the most common issues users face with smartphones today is battery life. We've all been there. Our phone's battery is running low, and we're scrambling to find a charger. Another issue is camera quality. With social media, we want our photos to look their best, but often our phone's camera just can't deliver. And then there's performance. A slow phone can be frustrating, especially when we're trying to get things done quickly. These issues can be a real pain. But do they affect the Honor 400? Let's dive into its features and find out. The Honor 400 boasts a massive 5,000 mAh battery, which Honor claims can last all day. Its camera system features a quad-camera setup with a 50MP main sensor, 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and 2MP macro lens. This setup allows for stunning photos and videos. And with features like optical zoom and portrait mode, the Honor 400's user interface is also worth mentioning. It runs on Magic UI 4.0, which is based on Android 11. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate and find what you need. Additionally, the phone's performance is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, which provides a seamless experience. In my personal experience with the phone, I was blown away by its camera capabilities. The photos I took were crisp and vibrant, and the portrait mode was surprisingly effective. I also appreciated the phone's battery life. I was able to use it for hours on end without needing to recharge. The Honor 400's performance was also top-notch. I was able to switch between apps quickly and easily, and the phone didn't slow down even when I was multitasking. Overall, I was really impressed with the Honor 400's performance. One standout feature that impressed me the most was the phone's fast charging capabilities. With Honor's 66W fast charging technology, I was able to get a significant charge in just a short amount of time. The Honor 400 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable smartphone. Its pros include its long-lasting battery, high-quality camera, and seamless performance. However, some cons include its relatively high price point and limited storage options. If you've had any experience with the Honor 400, I'd love to hear about it. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in checking out my other smartphone reviews, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell.